Hey, hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a intermediate level, I'd say intermediate level, fingerstyle arrangement of Californication by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. I really hope you enjoy the lesson. If you do, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you want the full lesson and the guitar tab, that's available down below. So the intro goes like this. Okay, so there we're playing an A minor or an A minor 7. You can hold that down. So hold that down and then play the 5th string, the 4th string, and then you're going to play the open 2nd string and then the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So that's okay. And then you've got a little bass run. Like that. So that bass run there is the 2nd fret on the 4th string. And then you're going to lift that off and play open, still on the same string, hammer the 2nd fret, and then pull off. So, and then you're going to play the 3rd fret on the 5th string. So 1 and 2 and triple it and. Okay, so that's how it goes, and then that goes straight to an F chord. So here I'm holding down. I keep this 3rd fret on the 5th string held down. Then I also hold down the 1st fret on the 6th string. And we're going to be playing the 2nd fret on the 3rd string as well. But first off, play the 6th string, then the 5th string, and then it's going to be open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So, okay, and from there, just play the 4th string open, and then back to the 5th string. So that's 1 and 2 and 4. So far. Then you do the A minor, exactly the same as before again. And then F. The same, but instead of playing open 4th string and then the 5th string, what you want to do here is on the 4th string, play the 3rd fret and then open, all on the 4th string. So exactly the same as before, but instead of going, you just go. So. And that's your intro. So here it is again slowly. So then you're into the verse. Okay, so the chords are just A minor, da, 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 F, da, 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 and then A minor and F again. Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. So then, on the A minor, hold that down, and I'll play the first string, the second string, and the fifth string together. And then the top string on its own 3 more times. So that's just... and then hold down the 3rd fret, or add in the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Play that with the 4th string, and then again 3 more times on that 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So just... so far. And then we go to F. And I like to wrap my thumb around the back and hold that 1st fret down on the 6th string. But you don't have to, you could just play the 4th string, 3rd fret, that would be absolutely fine. But anyway, I'll play the 6th string 1st fret, hold down F, and then also add the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, like that. And I'll play strings 2 and 6 together, and then the 2nd string twice more. So, okay, and then open top string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. Okay, and then I'll play the 4th string in the bass, and then the 3rd string. So that's... steal your mind's elation. So that's the first 2 bars, more or less. Okay, from there play the 3rd string once more, and then we're going to go back to A minor. And we get that. So the A minor here is exactly the same as the last one, pretty much. And then when we get to F, the melody is just slightly different. So we hold down the F just like before, and the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So play the 2nd string with the 6th string, then the 2nd string twice, still on the 3rd fret. So that's silver screen. And then open top string, and then we just make it a regular F, so that 3rd fret goes down to the 1st. Play that with the 4th string in the bass, and then I'll play the 3rd string. So that's... so A minor is the same, but it's just the F that's slightly different. So far, the verse. And then up to speed. And then we got the, and if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. Back to that. So that's C, G, F, D minor, and then back to A minor. So on the C. So we're just playing the bass note, the 5th string in the bass, and then the top string, the melody. If you want these, sorry, to get into it, on the F chord, you played. So to get into the C, you just want to play the third string on that F, because that's part of the melody, and then you go straight to your C. Hold that down and play the top string and the fifth string together, and then the top string on its own after that. So the melody, da 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 da, if you want these, and just on the first one play the bass note. So then we go to the G chord, third fret, sixth string, hold that down, and then also third fret on the second string. Play those two together, and then your melodic line is just that B string, third fret. So we got, and then, so. Okay, then to our F. So I'm holding my F like this, thumb around the back, but of course, as always, you can play the fourth string if you want to. So we're holding down our F, play strings 2 and 6, then 2, then 3, and then back to 2. So that's just, okay. And then to a D minor, I just hold down the second fret on the third string and the third fret on the second string. Hold those down and play strings 2 and 4, and then 2, 3. So that's. So going into this bit from the F. So if we put all of that together from the beginning of the verse, we've got and that then goes back into and then you've got another verse, and then it goes into the and the chorus. And if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to learn how to play the rest of the song, I'm teaching that over on my website. So you can get the rest of the lesson for free if you just follow the link down in the description. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, where there are hundreds more fingerpicking guitar lessons and a whole bunch of courses that you can take if you want to invest in your fingerpicking and fingerstyle even more, which you can try any of them out completely for free when you join my mailing list. So links in the description. Check it out. I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.